Hello, this is John Mart and we're starting our 2,000 peso challenge. 70 pesos plus terminal fee. How much ang terminal fee? 15. Kaching! And off we go. Terminal fee. How much? Is that our boat? LCT. All aboard! And we're all on board. Yay! Welcome to Dumangas. 20 each. Yay!
Amo manggapon kay kung magabot sa banurot na spirit mo, manggapon.
The birthplace of my mom and my grandma. So that tricycle ride cost us 50 pesos each from Dumangas Port to Malabang. And that's the Ceres bus, but that's on its way to Iloilo City. We're going that way, the opposite way. Malabag means to go against the grain. It's diagonal, it's not parallel. So that's Malabag. It's probably called that way because the road is not parallel to this road. So it's nagabalabag or slanting or diagonal. Now the Ceres bus is over there. We can take that. It's going to Barota Viejo. Oh, Concepcion. There's the Concepcion bus. That's our bus. That's our bus. Yay! Alrighty, alrighty. Nice. Great. Yes. Aircon bus. How much? 128 pesos. We've arrived. This is Concepcion. Yay! We're going to ride the habal-habal again. It's the motorcycle ride. Let's do this. Alright. Ay, dali lang ako yan. Habal-habal ride. Oh my God. Yan ang punta. Where are they? Oh my God. Hello. Yay, we've arrived. Yay. We are here at some kind of a lookout point or some kind of a viewing deck, but there's no deck. We're looking at 25 barangays, 11 of them are island barangays. We are now at the heart of Concepcion town, and they even have a hotel named Pan de Azucar. This is the Northern Iloilo Polytechnic State College Concepcion campus. This is the gateway to the islands of Concepcion. I can smell the sea. I can see the sea. Alright, it's a rocky path, it's a rocky beach, like cobblestones. Look at that. Uh-oh, that's our wee little boat. And off we go! Yay! We've arrived at the sandbar in one of the islands here at Concepcion. Beautiful place. A long stretch of white sand and dozens of islands all around. Yay! And we will spend the night on this sandbar. It's the Sandbar Island Resort of Bulubajangan Island. Here. Yay! So this is John Mart. See you tomorrow morning for our next video. Bye for now. Good night.